Hey friends, if the single or double quote key is not working on your Windows computer, or it works but it works after you type a letter, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So you need to understand that this option for double quote or single quote is for the English US keyboard only. It may not work with many other keyboards. For example, the US Japan keyboard, it may glitch. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab, select language and region. Okay, if English US is not the default language, you'll have to change it accordingly. Even if it is, then move some other language up. Okay, I made English Australia the top language and then move it up again. So I just interchange the languages twice, and again English USA is the top language. Now I'll tell you why I did this, because this will reset the keyboard. There is no one switch to reset the keyboard, but we can use this workaround method. So this will fix the problem in 99.9% of the cases, but if it does not, then update the keyboard drivers. How would you update the keyboard drivers? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on it and select update driver. Right click on the second one and select update driver. Okay. So, sorry, you have to do it for the keyboard once. Okay. So expand keyboard drivers, right click and update this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.